Hello and welcome. It is the end of the year 2020, and the price of Theta at the time frame of 5:40 p.m. Eastern, December 31st, and that of $1.89. The all-time price is now it's a dollar. Well, not anymore. $1.88 So I guess a little lower, but $1.89 is the all-time price. As this price is at all-time highs at every single time frame on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-hour, 4-hour, daily, weekly, and monthly. This is how it goes. All bets, trades, and of the like, well, that's within each's own risk and their own reward. There's $1.85, which has been support throughout most of the afternoon today on the 5-minute term time frame. Breakout stages, looking at that stage, and it's looking for excitation right now amongst the this in here. It also had $1.89 back at 15.15, and well, of course, this period here it has matched it. Oh, it's going to break it soon. 1 hour term time frame, just continuously going up. Right just before December 30th, $1.42, so up 40 plus cents. In a couple of days, how do you do? Or 40 cents on a $1.40, 30 something percent, maybe 28. 4-hour term time frame. It got up to this high on December the 26th at $1.74. I figured about $1.75 was going to be big resistance, and short term it was. Amongst the 4-hour, having substantial some correctionary time. All of this in here. A little bit of a failed escape here, but holding successfully here, and a successful escape as we're seeing right there. Price action, of course, and just a beautiful, beautiful bull market. Within such daily chart, excitation of the 18 average of highs at 75 cents. It's more than $1 higher than that. We had a down day here of 4.7%. Yeah, that's a whole day, as is this here. Oh, interesting day of December 27th, and the biggest volume of the recent run on December 27th as well, on a down day. Some big buyers wanted to continue moving forward, it seems. But we're still seeing this rally happen with volume that's not so desirable for toppy action or toppy seeking action. Oh, it's sort of very desirable if you're looking for your portfolio to rise and you're holding a good percentage or all your theta during this run. Amongst the weekly chart, the last excitation of the 18 average occurred on December the 14th week, and it's week period number 3 since then, after about 4, 5, 6 correcting. Within such 57-cent high occurring on May the 25th week. Way back when. And then this long correctionary moving, just been holding well. But the long range here, you had all the time to buy 14 cents. Down to 8, and even figure here 6 cents. That's 30 times higher, approximately 25, and it's probably going to be boatloads to continue on further. If you look at the volume here, just want to go on that before I talk about long term stuff. So yeah, there's this big volume in here, but it's really just matching this volume in here and barely beating it, maybe. Nothing close to this volume. I don't think we're topping yet. But if we are, we are. But at $2, I'm thinking it's more along the lines of short-term resistance, like it was at $1.75, or like Bitcoin was at 20,000. We'll see, but that's my prediction on that. So where do I think it's gonna find some? I've been using the word of weak resistance a lot. How about strong resistance amongst the intermediate term time frame? Long term time frame, this thing is probably gonna have some large moves, to say the least. And actually, monthly doesn't do. I think weekly is what I want to go on here. When are we going to have a time when we have a retracement of significant from the significant lows, which happens to be that of exactly on the tether, 3.554 cents to the highs, which right now is $1.89. Surprised it hasn't broken it during the time frame I've done this video. Just 0.00438 points away, but and that means to me that when I look at from this level here, I gotta think $3, $3 to $8 is where we're heading towards for its next move higher. I mean, yes, we could see. I mean, this is already a good leg above 75, 78 cents, but time will only tell. Now, let me just go to one of the web pages that I find I'm curious about. And the web page on here is Theta.tv. What is that? Call of Duty? I don't know. CSGO? Counter-Strike Go? I don't know. I don't know these games. Split the room. Split the room. Split the room, not spit. Split the room. We got Fresh Swipe Escape from... I mean, I don't really want to play Age of Empires 2 anymore, but... yeah, maybe. I haven't played that game in years. I love that game, though. Only real video game. I used to play StarCraft Brood War, the original... 1999 in the year 2000. Hotel California. That's a good song from the Eagles. Although I'm snippets. I don't know if that is sort of cover or what it is. But what I have thought is I could make a game out of trading. I mean, I got lots of TFUEL. I got 5 figures worth of TFUEL. I can just give out as gifts. I'd probably make more by doing these videos in TFUEL by doing it. But all of these just seem to be like video games kind of stuff. I mean, let's see. He looks like the guy from South Park that I'm thinking, but he's not a yeah, he looks like a South Park guy. And in a video game monologue too. Okay, where's the search in here? TFUEL store. Okay, can I buy things with TFUEL? And I got music still in the background. Okay. I mean, okay. Maybe I can buy this. Okay, there's 12,000. Can I buy an Apple Watch? I mean, I got enough to buy that. This is interesting. You know, and I looked at the best coins for the week. Theta was number 2 of the top 100 coins to Theta Fuel, which was number 1. Theta TV name change. Anything here that I'm interested in? I mean, 31 TFUEL. So they're trying to make a want for this. A Ledger Nano S wallet. I could buy that. Xbox One. I could buy that too. And maybe I could use that to play the video games on here. I mean, I can buy everything on here. Probably. And they shouldn't be able to, so I don't got much Theta Fuel. I don't have 6 figures, put it that way. Pro Jersey, I guess that's for a video game, I don't know. Nintendo Switch. I've heard about that before. That's because I hear it on one of the video game channels. Sizzle popcorn? What the heck is this? I haven't eaten popcorn in a long time, but I'm just... Theta merchandise. I wouldn't mind a Theta shirt. That'd be cool. I mean, 600 TFUEL's like nothing. 800 left. I'm sure that's a round number. All of them are even. I don't wear hats, but Theta Man shirt. 25% of all sales go directly to Steph, the second runner-up of something. Yeah, let's just see. That's not what I didn't come here to look for that. Therefore, where is anything else on here? Streamer merchandise. I mean, is like, I guess these are popular people. There's my name there. I'm not sloppy though, at least not by name. Okay, it was just a different page. What else do we have on here? Season rewards. About XP, about TFUEL. I have no idea what's going to come up. I'm getting a PDF file here. Theta compendium _3.pdf, and it's taking a long time to load. So let's take a look at TFUEL while we wait. Currently at 114 Satoshi against the Bitcoin, which is 3 cents or so. Daily chart, it's been, let me just put this in scaling. I like how it's performing amongst the 18. You come up, you establish this high here, holding and staying above this significant Fibonacci line, and really resistance since this entire last half year. Yada, yada, yada. Okay, that is TFUEL, and that PDF. Let me just see what else we can get on here. Yeah, the setup's looking pretty good here. I like how after, well, both after this one and the two after that, we have the pause one on the 19 stamp, but more so here on the 3 stamp. How it's reacted to that and staying above the 18 average of highs. We've already microscopically gotten above this high in the previous period, which means on the hourly, this one here now just supporting this and really coming back to where it came from. I mean, it can come down to the 18 lows. It's still be still pretty, even just back to this level of resistance at 110. But whatever it does will be what it does. And for now, I'm just going to leave it as this because it's got a little bit of time to load. I'm going to be curious to what this looks like. So in a future video, if it's anything of importance, I'll bring it up. If not, just talk about what the next subject is. Take care.